last time you did a drug test to this guy, Major De Castro, on record?
If you will allow me, Your Honor, I will submit the record regarding the drug testing of
prior
Major
to
De
the
Castro.
commission of the crime, when was the last time na he undergo a drug test? Not only Major De Castro, but all the members of his unit.
May I request the Chief of the Crime Lab of 482 please answer the question? Sila po sir ang nagkakandak po sa ng drug test.
Sige po.
Yes. Right.
Good morning, sir.
Sir, direct to the point.
Sir, the last drug test for Police Major De Castro was January 11 of 2023 from Batangas.
January 11, 2023.
Yes, sir.
And prior to that?
That was for the year 2023, sir.
So you do this annually
Yes, sir.
as opposed to dapat quarterly?
The 25% po, sir, ng buong strength po, dapat ma-drug test po sila.
Kasi Mr. Chair, why I asked that question? Maraming beses na sa aking programa, even the times yung T3, Wanted sa radyo, na kung saan yung mga pulis mismo, meron ko mga video, naghihit ng shabu. Nababalitaan natin yan. Karamihan yung sa mga drug enforcement. In fact, as high as Colonel, huling-huli sa video, nagsashabu. So dapat, meron tayong hindi lang yearly, dapat quarterly and properly supervised. Baka naman yung ihi na binibigay niya, baka tinitimbrahan, oy, bukas magda-drug test ka natural, hindi magda-drugs ng tao. Kasi alam na, he knows better. Hindi siya magda-drugs. Dapat random. At dapat hindi taga-unit ninyo ang gagawa. Dapat from outside. Independent. And then binabantay niya pag-ihi niya. Nasusunod ba yung ganung procedure, Colonel?
Yes, sir. For the information of everyone, meron pong procedures ang forensic group, yung crime laboratory dati, to conduct drug testing annually. So tama sir yung sabi ni RD, 100% po ang aming drug testing. As a matter of fact, sir, our regional director, Police Brigadier General Kenneth Lucas, also conducted.
Okay. Nandun na po ako, sir, annually. Ang suggestion ko, dapat
Yes, sir.
pag sa Drug Enforcement Unit, quarterly and properly supervised. Can we ask the NAPOLCOM people who are present to make it mandatory at random? Wag po yung... Kasi alam ko naman na sinasabihan sila, oy, magkakaroon ng drug test mamaya. Natural, si police mag-absent. Hindi siya magda-drugs. Two days siya maglilib. After 2 days, clear na yung ihi niya. Or kuminsan, gagamitin niya yung ihi ng kanyang kasamahan. Urine, di ba? Urine lang yan.
Yung paggamit ng ibang ihi, malabo mangyari yan ngayon dahil yung meron talaga nagbantayan doon sa CR habang umiihi sila.
Okay.
Di binabantayan talaga yun ng
And may I suggest, Mr. Chair, kasi yung sa shabu, huwag ka lang gumamit ng ilang araw, burado na yung, clean na yung ihi mo. Why don't we use hair follicle test? Can we do that? Kasi pag hair follicle, alam ko, Mr. Chair, buwan months, matitration.
Ano bang pinaka-technology na alam nyo sa crime lab na mas mabigat pa kaysa mas accurate kaysa
Sir, currently, we are doing the drug testing using the urine because of the mass number of personnel that to be conducted. But we will further look for that.
So what's available? Available sa crime lab aside sa anong available test ninyo for
for a while,
drug test? Oh.
for a while, sir.
Ah.
May I talk with the chemist?
Mga hari-hari nyo sa crime lab dyan.
Sir,
Yes.
hindi nyo narinig yung hair follicle test? Ignorante po kayo doon sa technology na yan? Hair
Sir,
follicle test?
Sir,
Have you heard of
actually,
it,
sir, may I ask my
Oh,
chemist
come
here?
on. Forensic po kayo, sir. Hindi nyo alam. Have you heard of hair follicle test?
Yes, sir, we have, sir.
Okay. Kaya nga, kung narinig nyo yan, wala ba kayong ganong technology sa PNP na hair follicle ang itetest nyo, especially sa mga operatibo natin na nag-handle ng mga sensitive positions, tulad nitong Drug Enforcement Unit?
Sinong hire sa'yo sa crime lab na may alam about hair follicle test Available ba yan na technology sa crime lab?
I'm Police Major Joanne Rosales, forensic chemist presently assigned at Rizal Provincial Forensic Unit in Taytay, Rizal. At present, Your Honor, hindi pa po ginagawa sa PNP forensic group ang hair follicle examination, but our good director very gusto po niya na masimulan na magawa ang examination ng drug test using hair follicles. In fact po, meron na pong, pino-formulate na po yung procedure na pwede nating sundan para unti-unti pong masimulan na magkaroon ng hair follicle examination.
Meron na kayo available technology dyan?
Sa ngayon po, procedure po yung inaayos and yung sistema kung paano po siya gagawin. Pero eventually po, meron naman pong mga machine na pwedeng gamitin para po sa test na yun.
So, Mr. Chair, we have that technology. Okay. Are you sure about that?
Yes, sir.
Very sure.
Yes, sir.
So, kung meron tayong ganung technology, thank you very much. Dapat pati NBI magkaroon, PDEA. So, that's one way na to determine kung yung ating mga operatiba ay matitino pa rin, especially mga naka-assign sa Drug Enforcement Unit. We should do this, kung nandito yung Chief PNP, nandito sa yung NAPOLCOM, this should be a requirement. Dapat ito hindi annually, random and then quarterly. Okay na tayo dyan.